Picture a world where the US dollar loses its crown and a new global currency takes center stage. A world where the once mighty greenback fades into history. Intriguing, isn't it? That's what some experts predict. But is it really happening? Today, we'll embark on an enthralling exploration of reserve currencies, the present geopolitical landscape, and the rise of cryptocurrencies. This captivating journey might just alter your view on money forever. So, strap in and let's unravel the mystery. Is the US dollar on the edge of collapse, or is it here to stay? Before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more thrilling and informative content like this. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified every time we release a new video. Chapter 1. The Drama of Reserve Currencies. The saga of reserve currencies is one of triumphant defeat. From the golden age of the Florentine florin and the grandeur of the Dutch guilder, to the powerful British pound, reserve currencies have left indelible marks on history. What forces drive these changes? Let's delve into the past to uncover the world's most influential currencies' secrets and discover how their stories can help us understand the future of the US dollar. The Florentine florin rose to prominence during the Renaissance. Its gold content stability and the prosperity of Florence's banking system made it the go-to currency for international trade. However, as Florence's political influence waned, so did the florin's dominance, eventually giving way to the Dutch guilder. The Dutch guilder reigned supreme during the Dutch Golden Age. Amsterdam's emergence as a financial center and the Dutch East India Company's trading prowess fueled the guilder's rise. However, as global trade shifted and the Dutch Republic's economic influence declined, the guilder lost its status as the world's primary reserve currency. The British Empire's expansion and the Industrial Revolution propelled the pound sterling to the forefront of global finance. Despite facing numerous challenges during the 20th century, the pound remained a key reserve currency until it was eclipsed by the US dollar following World War II. Chapter 2. The US dollar, the reigning champion. After World War II, a new protagonist took center stage, the US dollar. The Bretton Woods Agreement created a new global monetary system, and the booming U.S. economy became the envy of the world. But the dollar's journey hasn't been without challenges and moments of doubt. The Bretton Woods Agreement in 1944 established the U.S. dollar as the global reserve currency. The stability of the U.S. economy and its vast gold reserves made the dollar the ideal anchor for the international monetary system. However, the system's reliance on gold became untenable over time. In 1971, President Richard Nixon severed the link between the U.S. dollar and gold, effectively ending the gold standard. The dollar's value became determined by market forces, and its role as a global reserve currency continued to grow. Countries like China, India, and Brazil have emerged as major players in the global economy. Their increasing importance in international trade and finance presents new challenges to the U.S. dollar's dominance. These emerging markets have expressed interest in diversifying their reserve currency holdings and reducing their reliance on the U.S. dollar. The rise of these economies is reshaping the global monetary landscape and creating potential competition for the dollar. Chapter 3. The Geopolitical Chessboard. China's rapid economic growth and increasing global influence pose a significant challenge to the U.S. dollar's dominance. The Chinese yuan has gained traction as an international currency, and China has been actively promoting its use in global trade and finance. Will the yuan eventually dethrone the dollar? Only time will tell. The euro, launched in 1999, has emerged as a major global currency. As the European Union seeks to strengthen its position on the world stage, the euro could potentially challenge the US dollar's dominance. However, the eurozone's internal challenges and economic disparities among its member states must be addressed before the euro can pose a serious threat to the dollar. Russia, a key player in the global energy market, has been diversifying its foreign currency reserves and seeking ways to reduce its reliance on the US dollar. This has included forging closer ties with China and exploring alternative payment systems in international trade. These moves could have implications for the dollar's position in the global monetary system. Chapter 4. The Cryptocurrency Revolution. Enter the world of cryptocurrencies, the enigmatic new players that have taken the financial world by storm. With their unparalleled technology and decentralized nature, they've sparked a revolution in the world of finance. Bitcoin, The first and most well-known cryptocurrency emerged in 2009 as an alternative to traditional fiat currencies. Since then, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have been created, each with its unique features and potential application. The rise of these digital assets has generated significant interest and debate within the financial community. Cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks, which offer potential advantages over traditional centralized financial systems, such as increased security, privacy, and efficiency. This decentralization has fueled speculation that cryptocurrencies could one day replace fiat currencies like the US dollar. However, widespread adoption faces several challenges, including regulatory hurdles, scalability issues, and concerns about price volatility. In response to the rise of cryptocurrencies, many central banks worldwide are exploring the development of their own digital currencies, known as central bank digital currencies. These digital assets could offer some of the benefits of cryptocurrencies while maintaining the stability and control of traditional fiat currencies. As these gain traction, they could reshape the global monetary landscape and potentially impact the US dollar's dominance. Chapter 5. The Digital Money Movement. In recent years, innovative digital payment systems and platforms have gained momentum, offering new possibilities for conducting transactions and managing finances. From mobile wallets to peer-to-peer payment apps, these technologies are revolutionizing the way we interact with money. As digital money gains traction, it could further challenge the US dollar's dominance. Mobile wallets and digital payment platforms have become increasingly popular, allowing users to seamlessly conduct transactions and manage their finances without relying on traditional banking systems. These innovative solutions offer increased convenience, security, and efficiency, making them an attractive alternative for many users. Peer-to-peer payment systems such as Venmo and Zelle have gained widespread acceptance, enabling users to instantly transfer funds between accounts without the need for intermediaries like banks. This disintermediation could disrupt traditional financial systems and further undermine the US dollar's supremacy. The US dollar's future as the world's reserve currency is far from certain. The complex interplay of geopolitical factors, the rise of emerging markets, and the advent of cryptocurrencies could all challenge the dollar's supremacy. While it may not happen overnight, the global monetary landscape is undoubtedly evolving. As investors and citizens, it's essential to stay informed and be prepared for the potential shifts in the world of finance. Will the US dollar eventually be dethroned? The answer remains uncertain, but one thing is clear: change is on the horizon. As we navigate the ever-shifting sands of global politics, economics, and technology, it's essential to keep an open mind and adapt to the possibilities the future may hold. As the future of the US dollar remains uncertain, it's important to consider diversifying your investments to mitigate potential risks. This may include investing in other currencies, precious metals, cryptocurrencies, or other assets that may hold value in an ever-changing global landscape. Understanding the complexities of the global financial system can be challenging, but it's crucial for making informed decisions about your financial future. Stay engaged, keep learning, and seek out reputable sources of information to keep your finger on the pulse of the global economy. In this interconnected world, countries must work together to address the challenges facing the global financial system. As the US dollar's dominance is challenged, it's vital that nations collaborate to ensure a stable and prosperous global economy that benefits all. The journey of the US dollar and the world's reserve currencies is a captivating tale filled with twists and turns. As we look to the future, let us embrace the potential changes and face them with curiosity, knowledge, and adaptability. For who knows, the next chapter in the story of money may be more fascinating than ever before. If you found this video informative and engaging, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on personal finance and investing. If you're ready to delve deeper into the fascinating world of finance and global currencies, be sure to click on the recommended video that's appearing on your screen right now. It's packed with even more eye-opening insights and expert analysis that you won't want to miss. Until next time, stay financially savvy and keep exploring.